Why did you become a priest?
Because I love God. And I want to help others feel his love. Why do you ask, Frank?
Because you don't act much like a priest to me.
Being out here gives me an escape from my priestly duties at the parish. I need that, I'm afraid.
And I can understand that's right enough. Stuck out here in this hellish place. No picnic, is it?
No, it's not. It's not. The church has such power, Frank. Or rather, God has, working through the church. The power to shape the lives of millions and millions of people. To change the whole course of history. And I want to be a part of that. I try to hold the thought that even out here I do share in that power, but sometimes I find it very difficult.
Then why don't you escape? Why do you put up with it, a man like you? You could be anything that you wanted to be.
And yet I give up every ambition, every desire in me to be the perfect priest.
The perfect priest.
How can I explain? I'm a vessel, Frank. And sometimes I'm filled with God. If I were a better priest, there would be no periods of emptiness, no need to escape. I would always be filled with God. That to me would be perfection.
Nobody can be that perfect. Not even you.
Perhaps me least of all. I haven't found it easy anyway to keep my vows. To forego the love of a woman or of money or to be obedient. That's been the hardest for me, obedience. But I've learned to obey. This place has taught me that.
Maybe I should become a priest. I'd qualify all right. No woman, no money, and oh, do I obey? Yes, Daddy. No, Daddy. Quite right, Daddy.
Why do you put up with it?
Because I can't get away from him.
But you're 22 now. He can't hold you anymore.
He'll hold me till I die.
No, Frank. You're a man. And past the age when another man can't hold you. If you're held, it's by something else. Or someone else.